Well guys, we did it. We survived the giant storm that happened yesterday. I mean, I'm telling you, there was wind, there was rain. We got like an inch and a quarter of rain total. But what's up and good morning guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the sun is coming back out. It's starting to feel more like California weather. You know, we had about a solid 24 hours of rain and that's enough for me. I'm done. We're good. Winter's over. Let's just move on, get back to summer. But it also means that I can get my truck detailed and all dialed in for tomorrow's event we're doing with all the military members. And obviously, you know, you don't want to do that when it's raining because it kind of defeats the purpose. But because we seem to constantly keep acquiring trucks over here, as always, on days like this, we get to play musical trucks here for a second. Now, I definitely have seen a lot of comments of you guys saying you want to see more Chris's truck in the background here, and I try to get it into more videos, but you know, getting Chris to want to do stuff with the truck. Do me a favor, everybody. Head over to @cbailey619 on Instagram. I'll put it right here. Tell Chris we need to get his truck into some more videos, doing some more stuff. I mean, he's got somewhat off-roadish suspension on the front, you know. We ought to just take it off-road just once, just maybe once, you know. But in all seriousness, what do you guys prefer? Are you guys more 7.3 OBS people? Or are you guys more the newer gasser trucks? I'm just kind of curious. I mean, let's say we were gonna give one away for you guys. Which one would you prefer? Older 7.3, newer gas truck? Now I must say the rain ended up actually washing a little bit of yesterday's festivities off the truck, but it's still pretty nasty in here. I mean, look at the top of that airbag mount. It's just gross. Probably the hardest part about looking at the truck dirty is seeing these wheels. That black just shows all that dirt and that sand and crap that got collected up on the road. So hopefully now that we've got the DSP5 switch installed and the tune and everything seems like it's sitting right and a little bit cleaner, we can avoid the crazy soot issue here. Now the soot comes off of the body pretty well, but this bumper being fresh painted, it doesn't exactly come off that great. So Josh is gonna have some fun getting that off and then waxing that whole thing. So hopefully from here on out, the soot will come off real easy. And now we wait. Josh and the crew should be here any minute now. They're just finishing up one of the boat details, and then they were heading straight our way. And hopefully by then we get another break in the clouds here and we actually get some sun. Well, hey buddy, don't look too excited to see me. Where are you going? So buddy, how's that new 5-inch treating you?
You tell me. It's been about a week.
You living the sit life too, or what?
Greatest thing I've seen in a while.
Yeah buddy, looks just like mine.
Something like that.
Well, hopefully you get good at taking it off because I got a lot of it.
Yeah, we'll see.
But hey, at least the truck's nice and clean, right?
Looks like it rained here.
A little bit. What's up, Drew?
Hey, bud.
Long time no see.
Oh, yeah.
Those shirts are looking sweet.
This thing's fucking sick.
You haven't seen it, huh?
Uh-uh.
I know, because you never hang around us anymore.
Yeah, I don't like you guys. This is actually legitimately, like, fun.
Is this what I pay you for?
You paying us?
No, you're right. Keep going. Have fun. So obviously, as you guys see, we've got a detail going on now. Now we have detailed this truck before. We've detailed all my previous trucks before, but what we're gonna do today is something that I haven't had done on any of my builds previously, and obviously this one being that the powder coat is kind of on a level of its own versus my last truck, which is standard black powder coat. I don't want to say it wasn't necessary. Thanks, Dick. This is when Josh gets excited. You guys can see the C4 lights take pressure washers directly to them, and never had any issues. So in my last video, Josh, a lot of people asked why you put the microfibers on the door handles when you foam can in the truck.
Wets down the towel before you do it, gets them pre-foamed up, that way you're ready to go. There's the bucket method, it's good and that's all good, but you don't need it.
You know, if somebody would just pull those off, we wouldn't have to clean around them anymore, huh? Synthetic clay. So no more old school real clay?
Nope, this is way better. Take that shit right off. You can use a clay lubricant, you can use foam, you can use straight water if the paint's clean enough. Anything that's just not dry paint.
You're getting fancy on me now, buddy.
It's getting expensive on you. But that lets the wax stick better, it gets into the paint better so it lasts longer. Takes any old wax off, any particles on the paint that have been sitting there.
So Josh, what are we going to be doing today to the powder coat?
Today we're going to be waxing and sealing in the powder coat.
Why do we do that?
So that all this dust and debris from the road will at least come off a little bit easier with just a spray down of some soap and the pressure washer.
I feel like it's something that people typically avoid doing.
Yeah, yeah, of course. It's like waxing a chain link fence.
It's a little easier.
It has to be done though.
You got a couple flat surfaces there.
There's like 2 or 3.
Yeah,
for sure. It'll protect it though. Keep it from flaking off later on down the road and keep it from fading in spots and grease from sticking, everything like that.
So if you guys are listening and you got somebody detailing your truck, let them know. I mean, if you got like Josh, you know, for me, he does it for free, but
I quit.
it's not cheap to do, that's for sure, but it's gonna, in the long run, end up protecting your powder coat, so you're gonna want to do it. Spend the money. What'd you give me for lunch, buddy?
Tacos.
You got me tacos? That's nice of you. Look at this guy. Details my truck for free and brings me food. Hey Josh.
Good, I was just kidding. I was gonna give you some of Josh's.
There's still a smudge on your tailgate, buddy.
It'll be there for a long, long time.
I want to get it off for you.
Sure.
Hey, buddy, you know that back end drops down, right?
Oh, it's all good. I'm working in there.
You don't want to, you know. All right. Hey, whatever works, you know. Oh yeah, buddy. Yikes, bro. Don't you work in the sun all day long too?
I'm two-tone, just like your truck. I'm copper and white. I don't know, like every now and again you just lean up against something, you're like, this is gonna suck. And it's like,
comfy?
ready for a nap. Fuck yeah.
Look at that, no details missed. You're the best at what you do, buddy. I like your little neck rag too. Is that keeping your neck warm?
It's for show.
Oh, it's just for show?
Just for show.
Alright.
Sometimes you switch sides like that.
Alright boys, I brought the inspector.
Where's you at? Hey bud. How are you? Alright, fine.
Yeah, he's over it. Come on, Gunner, you gotta go inspect the work, buddy. I don't know, but it looks like a freaking bomb went off. There's just microfibers everywhere. Is this what it's like? Is this the life? Yeah? Is it a rough life? Do you recommend people getting into detailing?
This life chose me.
Well, we jump back in the old 7.3 here. We gotta run to the bank, get some money for these boys, because getting all your powder coat waxed is not very cheap. Gunner decided he's gonna go along with us for the ride, right buddy? Gunner! Are you going to bed? Hey, ready, Gunner? Let's go pay him. Come on, let's go. Hey, bud, how's it going?
Oh, f***ing great.
That's it.
It's about done on. Damn, son, like that? Thanks, Gunner. I appreciate it, bud.
Hey, Gunner just tossed that bad boy off.
You're a good dog, you know that? Did you teach Ryan that trick?
If there's one detailing tip you can give to somebody, what is it?
Do it right. Spend the time doing it right. Don't skip any steps and make sure it's done the way you'd want it done yourself.
There you go.
Right, Gunner?
Just sitting back admiring the work, boys.
Yep.
Crushed it as always.
Guys that like to unleash the beast on wet pavement.
Oh, you saw that video?
Oh yeah, I saw.
You're supposed to be working. What are you doing watching that video?
I cleaned up. I was sitting there. I'm like, I wonder why this truck's so dirty. Let me see what we got here. Well, Drew's over there getting lunch, and lo and behold, Ryan's got the truck trying to do burnouts.
Well, I'm glad you didn't see that video. I purposely released it when you were almost done with the truck, so you wouldn't get all mad at me for.
You can't pull one over, man. I'm too smart for that.
Hey.
I
gotta feel down here?
You know, oh yeah, of course. That's the,
Ooh,
that's the
baby.
best,
Oh, bro, we're gonna roast your tires?
Sure.
Look at there's wet pavement right there.
Sure. Yeah. No, I'm a decent human being. I'll do it on dry pavement.
You will?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Sure. Not today.
No, today.
You paying the bill?
Yeah, I already paid you.
It's on camera. You heard it.
I already paid you.
Just paying my tire bill too.
Oh. What's up, buddy?
Hey, Chris, I got something for you. Check this out.
Uh-oh.
What is it?
You don't want it?
I'm trying to quit.
Oh.
It's got your name on it, dude.
No, you can have it.
What's up, Chris? Welcome back, man. It's good to see you, man. We missed you. How you been?
I've been good.
How's life treating you?
Good. Did you pay to get my truck washed?
Yeah, he did it. You can't. It looks great from here, doesn't it?
Josh would do mine for free.
Hey, man, I heard you had a little incident with a Ford today.
What?
Your work truck.
11.
You called me bitching for an hour about it. What happened, buddy?
He's a piece of shit.
Wheels look killer.
Those are gonna be good for a while.
Ooh. That's what color they really are, huh?
They're really black.
I said, now you just gotta drive it.
Why?
Cause.
Hey, buddy,
Take it off-roading.
Are you coming with me to the event tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, bring your truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Now you tell me.
Josh. Chris needs his truck detailed for the event tomorrow. You got him, buddy?
Here, Chris, I'll start up the pressure washer for you.
What do you want up there?
Auto Marine detailing right there, under the work for it that's done wrong. Yep. I think I agree. Yeah, I 100% agree.
And then we got to put a @CBailey619 on there.
Yep.
Drew, if I wanted to get a sick pair of boots like those, where do I go?
Toys R Us.
Just blow black smoke all over the clean truck. I think spending a full day of detailing finally got the job done. What's wrong with you? Come on.
Where do we start?
Where do we start? Well, hey boys, as always, I want to thank you guys for doing an exceptional job. This is like killer. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you, brother. Where can people reach you, man? Because let's get away from your exhaust for a second. I get people asking me all the time how to contact you about getting a detail done. Where can people reach you?
Instagram, JoshK21 at Auto Marine Detail.
I'll put it right there. I'll also put it down in the info. You're the best, buddy.
Appreciate it. Don't get it too dirty with your burnouts now.
Where can they get a sick sweatshirt like that?
Workforapparel.com.
Nice, nice. Thanks, buddy. All right, guys, so with that, we're gonna wrap up another video. Just like I said earlier in the video, you know, one thing I didn't do on my last truck was really make sure that the powder coat was taken care of. Going through, waxing it, taking that extra time, or paying somebody to take that extra time, it's just really gonna protect, I don't wanna say your investment, but it's really gonna protect the money that you put in your truck. It's gonna make things last longer, the truck's gonna look better, it's gonna be easier to clean, and it really is worth it. It's kinda like going through and ceramic coating your stuff. You're kinda basically insuring yourself for the future. You're making sure that things are going to be easier to take care of in the future. So as always, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now, because Chris doesn't eat if you don't subscribe to our channel, right, Chris?
No, I'm hungry.
Chris is hungry. It's been a while, right? What do you think, about 150,000 subscribers? Maybe we'll give you a little bit of food? All right.
What are you at now?
131? All right, we got to get to 150,000 subscribers so we can make sure Chris here gets fed, because, I mean, look at this poor guy. You look rough, buddy. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. And truth be told, in today's video, it was supposed to be like a bikini car wash. There was supposed to be girls, and it was supposed to be like great and amazing. And then, you know, because I like to take care of you guys, and I was gonna bring back some of your guys' favorites to do it, but they all flaked on us today. I think it was because of the weather, but we'll make sure we redo that and we bring you guys what you want to see. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm out.
Bro, the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.